High frame rates mean nothing if your system has hidden security features throttling your CPU in the background. By default, Windows 11 enables a feature called memory integrity under core isolation. While it's great for office computers, Microsoft themselves admitted it can tank your gaming performance by up to 25% because it forces your processor to run a continuous virtual security loop mid-game. To fix this, hit your Windows key, search for core isolation, and open it. Right at the top, you will see an option called Toggle Memory Integrity. Turn it off. You will need to restart your PC later for this to take effect, but turning it off instantly reclaims raw processing power, giving you smoother 1% lows and 0 micro-stutters. Step 2. Every single background process running on your PC is actively stealing resources from your graphics card and RAM. Windows 11 boots up dozens of useless modern apps like Microsoft Teams, widgets, and Edge. The second you turn on your PC, keeping them active in your system tray while you game. We need to strip these completely. Go to Settings, click on Apps, and go down to Startup. Turn off absolutely everything you do not need open immediately. Next, search for installed apps after hitting the Windows key and open it. Look for heavy apps you use but don't need running constantly. Click the three dots next to them. Select Advanced Options. Look for Background Apps Permissions and change it from Power Optimized to Never. This completely blocks the app from waking up and spiking your CPU latency during a team fight. Step 3. One of the most overlooked causes of sudden frame drops and game hitching is Windows Notification Priority Interrupts. Whenever Windows 11 prepares to send an alert, a system sound, or an update tip, it forces your CPU to instantly divert focus away from your game executable to handle the notification task queue. To stop these system spikes, go to Settings, click on System, and open the Notifications tab. Don't just turn the main toggle off, scroll down to the bottom, open Additional Settings, and uncheck all three boxes for Tips, Suggestions, and Welcome Experiences. This completely kills the hidden telemetry services that constantly scan your active windows, ensuring your CPU gives 100% of its attention to your game. Windows 11 tries to dynamically balance your hardware power consumption to save electricity. Because of this, it often runs games in a hybrid power state instead of forcing your graphics card to its maximum clock speed immediately upon launch. To force maximum performance, go to Settings, click System, then Display, and scroll down to Graphics. Look at the list of applications below. If your main game isn't there, click Browse and add its main executable file. Once it's added, click on the game, open Options, change it from Let Windows Decide to High Performance, and make sure it targets your actual dedicated GPU. Hit Save. This forces Windows to bypass all power-saving limits the second the game opens. Now, restart your PC right now to finalize every single system tweak we just applied. If you want to push your hardware even further, check the description below where I linked my ultimate guide for the best 2026 NVIDIA control panel settings. To pair with this setup, apply those next and I'll see you in the next one.